Hey, welcome back. Building a website in 2026 and stuck between Hostinger's AI Builder and WordPress with AI? They look similar, but they're fundamentally different, and picking the wrong one can cost you big. I've tested both, so let's get into it. Drop a like right now if this sounds useful, it really helps the channel. Overview. Hostinger Builder is an all-in-one platform. Describe your business. AI generates your site layout, copy, images in under 60 seconds. No hosting setup, no plugins. Done. WordPress is the CMS powering 43% of the entire web. With AI, you can now generate a full WordPress site from a text prompt, then unlock thousands of plugins, themes, and full customization. Speed. Hostinger builds in under 14 seconds. WordPress with AI is fast too, but still needs plugin and theme configuration after. Hostinger wins launch speed. AI tools. Hostinger packs AI writer, blog generator, SEO assistant, logo maker, and email marketing all built in. WordPress AI lives in plugins powerful but fragmented. Flexibility. WordPress wins by a mile. 60,000 plus plugins. Membership sites, LMS, complex e-commerce, Hostinger simply can't compete here. SEO. WordPress dominates. Mature CMS. Yoast SEO. Full EEAT optimization control. Hostinger's SEO tools are good for beginners, shallow for serious growth. Ownership. Critical difference. WordPress equals you own everything. Move hosts anytime. Hostinger Builder equals no real export. Outgrow it, you're rebuilding from zero. Simple rule. Choose Hostinger Builder for speed, simplicity, small sites, zero tech knowledge. Choose WordPress for ownership, scalability, blogging, and serious SEO. Warning, don't start on Hostinger if you plan to scale. Migration is painful and expensive. That's the real breakdown, no fluff. Like, subscribe, and check the links in the description. Which one are you picking? Comment below, I read everything. See you next video.